a daisy. I got a little cream here on my finger.
Oh, that's okay. I can take care of that, Mr. Dilham.
Morgan!
No, please!
Morgan! 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 Stop it! I'm calling your mom.
What?
No questions about the movie.
If Barbie had a tea party, like Barbie, would you go? And what do you think it would be like if you sat with her and drank tea?
Fun fact, there would be no tea at a Barbie tea party because they don't have liquids. And if you were a real Ken, you would know that. Get out!
Okay.
Sorry, what's in this? What's in this bowl? They're Kenning all over the place. They're Kenning all over each other. They're Kenning everywhere. And they're Kenning so hard that they're gonna Ken themselves blind if they don't stop Kenning.
I know in the panel, somebody asked you, is that your intention? And you said, you bet your ass it is.
Yeah.
Did one sort of lead itself to the other? Did you say, okay, now that I've done Star Wars, now this feels good, I'm gonna keep going? What's the master plan?
To become rich and famous.
You might get there someday. Keep working at it. Thank you all for coming in.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. You made right. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for coming.
It's my first show ever.
It is?
Yeah.
Really?
Why is that sad? It's sad?
No, that's a real big compliment that he doesn't like to do shows. A lot of people don't like to do these.
No one will have me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, now it's not such a compliment.
But you've been my first for a couple things, the awards, and there was that other thing that we don't talk about.
Yeah, that thing, yeah.
Which we should talk about, by the way.
One day.
I called you.
Would you wash dishes with your own face?
We had a party that night, and oh, you'd gone by that
Yeah,
point. You
I was
missed
like,
it.
rent party.
It was so fun.
Sounds fun.
And we had it at one of the Soho houses, and it has like a rooftop pool, and everyone ended up jumping in the pool at the end, and it was so fun. I wish you were there. It was
Sounds
great.
awesome.
We'll have another one.
Apparently, she thinks that you're starting what she calls a Renaissance.
A Renaissance, yeah.
What does that look like?
It's happening now. It's like the Kens are I see all my Kens. There's Kens in this room.
How would you define a Ken? Do you know one when you see one?
It's hard, a lot of people don't know this. George Lucas based The Force on Kenergy. It's always been there. And we're going to talk about it next time.
Bleak, dystopian, an absolute nightmare, to be honest with you. That's just my interviewing techniques.
Yeah.
But let's talk about the movie Blade Runner 2049.
Cheer up.
Well, you know, it's a bit of a bleak day.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's a lovely day in London, and let's keep it that way.
I'm so sorry.
This is not the introduction we were promised. Bring me on with
Do you want me to pick it up a
little
bit?
happier music. You know.
Well, there's so much secrecy around this new film. What can you tell me about it? Obviously, you've told me that it's you having a drink.
I think it's. I feel like that's where this is headed.
Question for Harrison Ford. You already came back for Indiana Jones, then you came back for Star Wars, now you came back for Blade Runner. Question is, was it always easy to reconnect with the characters after...
Wait a second. You got a problem with that?
We discussed this right in here. No, I don't have, of course.
No, he tries to hide it. Like, for instance, when he was on Elephant Man, he thought that everyone was taking themselves way too seriously on that movie. It's the saddest movie ever. And he was joking around, and he got tired of it, so he started meowing like a cat, but so that no one knew. And he had the whole crew for an hour looking on top of buildings for the cat, and everyone was going crazy for the cat. And finally, they saw him doing it. He was like, he's very mischievous.
Perfect.
Beautiful.
Got it.
I'm getting sick of that.
there some déjà vu moments on the set?
Were there some what?
Déjà vu.
Deja vu.
It's French.
Yes, but it's not French Canadian. Eh?
This is a thing that exists. Hey girl, bet you'd rather be doing these dishes. That's what this woman thinks you say.
It's like looking at the sun. I can't stare directly at it.
I'll ask him to bark and meow, but I won't tell the audience that day, and we'll see if people start looking for the dog or the cat. Some people watching today watch on Tuesday, and we'll see if we can get the audience freaking out.
Oh my God!
That's what I bring to the table.
You would kill craft service if you ever.
Right.
If you ever decided, there's always like a Thai truck around, or
I love Thai.
some kind of crisp you've never heard of, or
Love my chippies.
a chippy,
Crumpets.
a crumpet.
I'm quite a feeder, actually.
Yeah.
For me, butter and honey on a crumpet is the way to do it.
I don't know enough about. I don't speak crumpets' tongues.
It's okay. We need to do another movie together so we can
Yeah.
get to the bottom of this.
Oh,
Do you have any tips on how to find a Ken?
if you want to find a Ken, you know, drop something.
Yeah.
And if a Ken picks it up, and he gives it to you, and he says, "Here, you drop this," and then quickly goes away and doesn't invade your space, is very respectful.
Oop.
You can, as he,
Oh, God. Did that just happen? I just dropped my cards.
you drop this.
Oh, wow. Thank
a nice
you,
day.
Ken.